All right, let's look at this next example. This is going to present a different scenario. So 168 is what percent of 112? So this percent that we're looking for, we're going to label that X. And maybe you've noticed here is that, when we use the word of, that's usually referring to kind of like a comparative number. So we look here at this previous examples here. When we said of 84, 84 was the maximum number on the number system scale, which was, kind of correlated with 100%. Over here, here's the word of, and we said of what amount. And so that maximum dollar amount on the dollar side of the scale correlated to 100% on the percentage scale. Okay, but now on this problem, we don't have any percentages this time. And 112 is going to be our maximal amount that's going to get correlated with 100%. So let's try and draw this out. So on this side of the scale, we're going to put percent. And on this side of the scale, it's just going to be whatever number system they presented us with. And I'm going to draw this a little bit down further. I'll explain why in a moment. Like that. Come down. So we've got 0% here. Oops. All right, we've got 0% there, and we've got 0 here. And this of 112, so 112 is here, and this is going to correlate to 100%. So this one is saying, let me read this again, 168 is what percent of 112? So if we look at this number system on the right, if this is 0, and this is where 112 is, then 168 has to be even higher. And so this is where 168 lives. And 168 correlates to an X percentage. So now when we come over here to our expectations for this problem, number one, we're going to expect that our value of X is going to be greater than 100%. All right, so let's solve this like we did before. So we're going to set up an equivalence of two ratios. And so X is equal to 168. X is equal to 168. And 100 is equal to 112. And now we can cross multiply. So we have 112x is equal to 168 times 100 divided by 112 on both sides. And we should get 150%. And when we check this against our expectation that it's over 100%, that looks good. So the second way that I was showing you on how to solve these types of percentage problems is just to kind of do across right here on the scale itself. And to convert the percentages to be values between 0 and 1. So this would just be 1.0. So as we cross this way, we've got 112x, and that's going to be equal to 168 times 1, which is just 168. Divide both sides by 112, and x is equal to 150%. Okay, for this think, pair, share off to the side, your answer should be 90.9%. So the next video that I'm going to show, I'm going to work out all three think, pair, shares from the last three examples. Let's see here. I lost my previous work, so that's why these answers are missing. So this one was x equals $26. And this top one is x equals 28. Okay, so we'll end this video, and the next time, the next video will have answers to these three, and I'll just kind of go over those, and you can compare your answers to mine.